Your retaining wall has a crack in it. Can it be fixed? Stay tuned to find out how to fix retaining or freestanding walls. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. Retaining or freestanding walls on your property are very important. In this video, I'll tell you why retaining or freestanding walls fail, how they can be fixed, and how you can maintain them so that they last many years. Before we go further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When we talk about fail, what we're typically talking about is full collapse or starting to lean towards the lower half of that wall. This typically happens because of a buildup of water and hydrostatic pressure on the back side of that wall. There was no drain installed or the drain is not working any longer. Another issue that could cause this is if that wall's not tied in together or tied into another structure properly, allowing it to essentially just balance against all the dirt that's standing on the back side of it. Now there's a couple different type of retaining walls or freestanding walls. So when we talk about these, you can have your common block wall, the cinder block, or you can have poured walls. These can easily be fixed with wall anchors or tiebacks and holding them in place and possibly straightening them if that's needed. Now if you get into more of the decorative kind of block or the landscaping block and that starts to move, that's something that's going to need to be completely replaced by a landscaping company. Number one is just divert the water. Now whether that's landscaping on the backside, making sure that it slopes to an end of that wall, just not letting it stand up in the middle. The second is make sure that it's in good condition, that there's not water standing on the wall that's breaking it down over time. If there are cracks, make sure to quickly seal those cracks up so the water doesn't get in that, freeze, and bust that crack out more and make it larger, therefore weakening it and allowing it to crack and separate from the rest of the wall. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your retaining wall or your freestanding wall? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the descriptions for more videos and blog articles on crawlspace and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.